I chose the IB program because I wanted the academic challenge that it would provide for me. I was told that the classes that I would take in IB would be more challenging and more academically rigorous, and they would better prepare me for university.
I've had several grads come and visit me after they have gone off to university, and they say that their transition to the university workload has been almost seamless because they have adjusted to the rigors of the academic program in their high school years.
The biggest benefit to students of the IB Diploma Program is the culture of learning and achievement. They do this with the help of dedicated teachers, to be sure, but it's really the culture of learning and success in their peer group that's indispensable to their success.
My favorite part about the IB program is that as a cohort, we get to stay together and we do a lot of things together and get to know each other more.
The IB class is very small compared to the other classes in our school, and most of the students in my class have been in all my classes through grade 11 and 12, so we've gotten really close.
It is not a program that is reserved for academically gifted students. As long as a student has a desire to learn new things and is able to manage their time, they will benefit greatly from this program.
I saw it as an opportunity for growth. I naturally am a person who is drawn to challenges and who likes to self-improve. And so I saw this as an opportunity to really go further in depth with my learning. For those who are considering the IB program, I believe that it is worth it, as you guarantee an experience where you can explore various ways of thinking and practice skills that you can use in your future.